Hi, I'm Samantha Christofferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. Today I'm going to show you a little hack for making a cool index on the side of your bullet journal by making cutouts and adding a little bit of color. So come on in and take a peek of what this looks like. From the top side layer, you can see from the different colors, there are like little gaps missing in and along the edge of my journal. Basically how I did that and why I did that is to be able to find sections easily. So here I would label this maybe all of January. The next layer down, my color is going to be orange, and probably that's going to be my February, and then pink are going to be my March. But basically you can use that any way that you want. If I was going to do this, I would write January in here, just a Jan. I'm going to do a Feb. And here I'm going to do a March. But basically all that does is signify to me that these pages are now all January, these pages are now all February, and these pages are all now March, which is kind of cool. So how did I do that? Really helpful is that I've got these lines in along the piece of my paper. So I've made the arrow, the cutout, to be exactly 2 lines wide, and I just try and make the cuts match along that middle line. So this line here, I'm gonna make the point happen in between 2. Okay, so my next one over, I'm gonna jump over to March. I want to count out how many pages I might need for that month. So again, if you need help figuring out the amount of pages that you need, that's in a separate video, and I encourage you to check that out. But I'm going to grab the pages I need. I've got my line up here. I can even kind of make a rough drawing for my scissors if I need that. And then I'm going to go ahead and make a cut and follow those lines. And careful on the edge, because you might, oh, I cut a little bit too far into it, but that's okay because nothing's perfect. Fold down this page. So here you can see I've made another cutout. I'm going to take a different color. I think I need to use blue. And I'm going to just draw in that cutout that I made, fill it in. And after March, we have April. So I'm going to write APR. Okay, and now I've added one more gap into the edge of the book, and I've also been able to signify where I would like that cut out. So again, you can do that for all of the other pages in the book. You just need a pair of scissors, you need to mark it, and it even looks really nice kind of on the side that you can start to see this kind of coloring on the edge. So have some fun with it. Definitely design your book first before making your cutouts, because that way you can ensure you've got the right amount of pages before you start marking up the edge. Wait until you've got your whole book kind of set up to do these kinds of fun things.